Greetings, everyone, and welcome to our journey into the culinary world of the Victorian era. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of food. During the Mid-Victorian times, from 1855 to 1880. This period of history marked significant changes in British society, including urbanization, improved transportation, and evolving dietary habits. Join us as we explore the daily meals and culinary customs of the working classes during this intriguing era. The Victorian era spanned an impressive 64 years, from 1837 to 1901. It witnessed profound transformations in British society, including a massive shift of people from rural areas to bustling towns and cities. Innovations like the expanding railway network and the birth of the first cars in the 1880s were shaping the world. Our focus today, however, is on the Mid-Victorian period, specifically, the years between 1855 and 1880, when the working classes comprised around 3/4 of the population. During the Mid-Victorian era, the working classes enjoyed a diet shaped by various factors. Notably, fruits and vegetables were prominent due to their affordability, widespread availability, and ability to stretch meals. Seasonal produce played a crucial role in their daily fare. Let's take a look at some of the fruits and vegetables commonly consumed during this time. Apples were a popular urban fruit, available from August to May, while cherries graced the tables during May to July. Gooseberries, plums, and greengages made appearances from July to late September. Candied peel and dried fruits were used to flavor desserts, like bread pudding and cakes. Onions, beetroot, Jerusalem artichoke, carrots, turnips, and watercress were among the affordable and readily available options. Legumes like yellow split peas were a year-round staple, often used to make dishes like peas pudding. Chestnuts were a beloved street snack from September to July. Hazelnuts were in season from October to May. Imported treats like almonds, Brazil nuts, and coconuts were enjoyed, especially around Christmas and special occasions. Meat was a symbol of a good diet, but for many, it was an occasional luxury. Pork was the most commonly consumed meat among the working classes. Joints of meat were reserved for special occasions. Offal, including brains, heart, liver, and kidneys, was widely used due to its affordability. Eggs were often sourced locally, and some families kept hens in their backyards, providing a valuable source of nutrition and income. Milk was consumed, but not in large quantities due to its cost. Butter was available but sparingly used, while hard cheeses were favored for their longer shelf life. Let's explore the weekly meals of mid-Victorian working-class families. The quality of meals varied based on income, with some enjoying more diverse diets than others. These meal plans offer insights into the food budgets and choices of families with different financial resources. In a time before supermarkets, Victorians shopped at individual stores like butchers and greengrocers. Frequent trips were necessary as refrigeration wasn't available at home. Shopping patterns were often influenced by payday schedules. Cooking methods varied greatly, depending on income and resources. From open fires to rudimentary kitchens, Victorians were incredibly resourceful when it came to minimizing food waste. Leftovers were transformed into new dishes, and even aging food was repurposed with clever use of spices. They made gravies and soups from vegetable water, and boiled animal bones to create stews and broths. Contrasting the working classes, Queen Victoria enjoyed a diverse and indulgent diet. Her position and wealth afforded her a wide range of food choices. She was known for her love of food and often enjoyed lavish feasts, even when it was just family. Her menus were a testament to her appetite for a variety of dishes. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of food during the Mid-Victorian era. It's a fascinating journey through time, showcasing the culinary habits of a diverse society during a period of significant change. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of Victorian cuisine. If you did, please like and subscribe for more historical insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep savoring the flavors of history. Goodbye for now. Thank you for joining us on this gastronomic adventure through Victorian times.